जोधपुर में राजस्थान हाईकोर्ट लॉयर्स एसोसिएशन द्वारा राष्ट्र स्तरीय वेबिनार का आयोजन किया गया। वेबिनार में सर्वोच्च न्यायालय के न्यायाधीश दिनेश माहेश्वरी मुख्य अतिथि के रूप में मौजूद रहे। इस दौरान कोरोना के बाद होने वाले प्रभावों सहित विभिन्न मुद्दों पर भी चर्चा की गई।
The purpose of today's webinar organized by the Rajasthan High Court Lawyers Association has been twofold. First, to listen to the expert advice from the learned doctors, as also to discuss the challenges that are faced by legal fraternity in particular, not only in terms of health issues of the family, but also in terms of the occupational hazards of the lawyers, the judges, and even the support staff. In a country as dense as ours, ensuring that justice remained accessible was a formidable task. But then legal fraternity picked up the gauntlet thrown by this pandemic, and we adopted with the dynamism that has long defined our judicial system, with astounding ease and, promptness, we incorporated alternative ways to work in the pandemic to ensure that justice was accessible when the people were not accessible to each other.
We are prepared. The central government and all state governments have done a remarkably extraordinary job in dealing with this unprecedented crisis. Barring very few exceptions, nobody has taken any political stance, and all leaders cutting across the party lines, cutting across the regional differences, they have stood as one leadership leading the nation out of the court. I hope, I wish, and I pray that we are completely out of this pandemic. What will be the life after pandemic? Nobody knows.
Our judicial system have adopted widespread measures by way of virtual courts to ensure that everyone is allowed access to justice. The public and government has worked tirelessly to ensure a qualitative life for all. Arastu, the celebrated philosopher, taught, I quote, "It is during our darkest moment that we must focus to see the light."